Tuilleadh, Hazel is Dum. I am your 352nd Lord Mayor of Dublin City, and it is my honour to officially launch and tell you about the new English-Irish Dictionary, the first one within 60 years that is launched today. And I like to say a massive thank you to all those who have been involved in it. Irish is a language that not only is beautiful and is our mother tongue, but it's something that I think I myself, as someone who went to the Gaeltacht, but it happens to be quite miserable at Irish, would very much want to hold on to. And it's something we treasure, and there's such a vibrant community in Ireland of Irish speakers that I think it's something incredible to see the community gather together to launch this new English-Irish Dictionary. I think more and more people do speak Irish and use Irish and want to use Irish, so it's important to incorporate new phrases and words, which is what this dictionary has done. So again, massive thank you to all those involved, and I hope you all will pick up a copy and get talking. So slán.